Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to generate music with Suno AI. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to generate music with Suno AI, then all you gotta do is simply go to Suno AI. Once you're in your Suno AI, all you gotta do now is simply sign up into your account. To generate your music, you need to simply click on the create option. Once you have tapped on the create option, you can simply describe your desired song. Like you can describe your genre, mood, theme in the text box and add your own lyrics or let AI write them and hit the create option to get two songs option, allowing for iteration or using custom mode for lyric style control, including instrumental or voice style adjustments before generating. So if you want to do this, then you will be able to simply generate music with Suno AI. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.